Good morning to all of you. I think you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to start first chapter, lecture 2, Introduction to Chemistry. Already we have discussed lots of things in first lecture. We discussed about science. It has three branch: physics, chemistry, biology. Again, we discussed the branches of chemistry: physical, inorganic, and organic chemistry. Also, we discussed about the uses of chemistry in our daily life. And last topic were alchemy and alchemist. So, what is a alchemy? Actually, in a modern era, the chemistry modified name is chemistry and its old name is alchemy. And alchemy not believe on accuracy, on fact and principle. In those days, alchemy means study of chemistry depends on religion, magic, mythology and experimentation. That's why in those days chemistry means alchemy, whatever we were getting the result, it was not so accurate. But nowadays modern chemistry is very accurate because we are getting exact result because of modern chemistry beliefs and beliefs on principle, fact, pattern, accuracy. And like that, those who study about chemistry is known as a chemist. Like that, in person who studied about alchemy were known as alchemist. And that time there were lots of alchemists and few of them are given in your book, and they played a very important role in our modern era. So few of them, they are first notable scientist, chemist, and their contribution. First, Antony Lavoisier. He was a French scientist. Was established that air contain more than one gases. Means he was the first scientist who was able to explain air contain more than two gases. Means air is mixture. And he also explained air contain 20% oxygen and 80% nitrogen. Also, he explained how oxygen react with metal, and when it react with metal, resulting rusting, like metal, iron. It react with moisture or oxygen, it produce browny layer over it, that is called rust. And you can see in this picture, that is a nut and bolt. It is surrounded by the brownish red color, that is known as a rust. And second one, Henry Cavendish. He was an English natural philosopher, scientist, and an important experimental and theoretical chemist and physicist. He is noted for his discovery of hydrogen. Means hydrogen was discovered by him only. And also he said hydrogen is flammable gas. It can catch fire. And nowadays you know that it may be after 20 years, 30 years, new vehicle will come. It will run with the help of liquefied hydrogen gas, and in the place of carbon dioxide smoke, it will produce water vapor. Now, John Dalton, second one, John Dalton. He also played a very important role for the atomic theory. Atomic theory means in the 9th class, in the 8th class, you will know about the structure of atom, how electron revolve around it, where is the neutron and proton. All these theory were given by him only. After that, Mendeleev, he was a Russian chemist he was jotted down the symbol for chemical element, putting them in the according to increasing atomic weight. Means in that time he was able to classify lots of element, and also he was able to put that element in group, because in that time in that time uh, after discovery of lots of element, it was very confucius to know about the all elements, particularly therefore Mendeleev played a very important role, and he was able to classify all the elements in a group and period, and he arranged all the element according to increasing atomic mass. And he find that after arranging the element, those who were in a same group, they have same properties. So he played a very important role for the classification of the element, and this is known as the periodic table. Now Marie Curie, you know that everyone, you know Marie Curie. Marie Curie is remembered for her discovery of radium and polonium, and these things are radioactive elements. Her huge contribution to finding the treatment of cancer, and you know that radioactive elements itself it is using for treatment of cancer in a chemotherapy. And also she help for finding the X-ray light, also X-rays. Now after that you can see that application of chemistry. My dear students, you know that in our daily life chemistry is a very important. Without chemistry it is not possible to survive our life. You are wearing cloth, how it is formed? Because of chemistry. You are using cement, metal rod for constructing the building, medicines, lots of things. These are the made up of with the help of chemistry only. Now application of chemistry, you can see here the chemistry and its use. Chemistry is play a very important role in a food. First you can see the food. Yes, many preservative, that is a chemical which is used to preserve food for long time. That's why you are able to eat chips and kurkure and lots of canned food, because it contain preservative, and that preservative are made by chemists only. And now agriculture, it is used in agriculture, cosmetic, medicine, clothing, and industries. So you can see here many examples are given. Let's see agriculture and chemistry. How chemistry is useful in agriculture, like fertilizer, lots of chemicals are there, and these chemicals are made by chemists only, and that are very important for the agriculture, that can kill the pest, insect, and also increase the fertility of soil. That's why my dear students, chemicals are whatever is used in a field, it is very important. And names are given. You can see that sodium nitrate, calcium, and pesticide is given here, fungicides are given, and also the insecticides are given. All these names are given, all these names are chemical. And now my dear friend, you know that India is a farming country, and we depends on 80%, 70% population depends on farming, and how chemistry playing very important role in agriculture. You can see that in a many field, fertilizer, pesticide, fungicide, insecticides. Now food preservative, you are, I think nowadays you are having lots of things, Maggi, sauce, canned meat, cold drinks, all these are contain preservative, and that preservatives are chemicals like sodium, methabisulfite, benzoic acid, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate. These are the chemicals which are used for pesticide. Now, next, in chemical, in cosmetic, nowadays many of them they are using face wash, soap, cream, sunscreen, shaving cream. All these are made up of by chemists only, because they know their ingredient, their chemicals, their composition, how they are being made. All these are made by only chemists. So my dear friend, you can see that chemistry, how it is important and how it infect our daily life. So my dear students, you understood uses of chemicals, what is chemistry, and how it helpful for agriculture in our country. So my dear students, please see the name of all scientists and alchemists who discovered elements, played a very important role for the chemistry, uses of chemistry. Please note down in your copy and try to give your answer in your own word. Thank you, my dear students.